In front of me is ACER Iconia Tab P11, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by locating Clock app and tapping on it. Then select Alarm on the left at the top of this section. And before adjusting a new one, you can click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings to operate all of those under alarms however you want to, for example, select snooze length, or adjust the volume of it. Either way, when you finish, click on this plus at the bottom right corner to finally create new alarm. Begin by setting up an hour. Then hit OK in the pop-up. And as you can see now, you can adjust all of those options however you want to in your new alarm. First of all, hit Add Label, type in whatever you want to and choose OK. Then you need to click on Days of the Week. If you want to change your hour, click on it. Pick a different one and choose OK again. Now, to make some exceptions from your chosen days of the week, use this plus next to Pause Alarm. Pick a date or a few and hit OK. To remove them, use Remove button right next to them. Now click on this bell icon. Decide if you wish to download Spotify or YouTube Music and use music from them, or hit Dismiss. If you want to use music from one of those platforms, click on the chosen one at the top and select Login at the bottom right corner. If you want to use any song from your tablet, hit Sounds. Select Add New. Click on the song you wish to add and go back. You can also just pick one of those melodies. Now click on this plus next to Google Assistant routine if you wish to add your alarm to it. And to hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner of your alarm. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To edit it, click at the top right corner again and make your changes. And to delete it, click at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!